Good morning to everyone. My name is Nagaraju. I am handling JE and Neet chemistry for 11th and 12th and the CBSE chemistry also. So today first time I want to do some video regarding the yesterday's Neet paper. So yesterday Neet exam is conducted. Around 30 lakhs members are applied. Now I want to discuss the key for that one. So first we want to go through what are the models of the questions they ask and what are the models they removed. This also we want to discuss. Okay. So now, so today we want to discuss about May 6, 2024 solutions for NEET 2024. Okay, so around 30 legislative members are applied, and so according to the student point of view, chemistry is a little tough, but chemistry part is when compared to the last year paper, there is a easy as in this mainly assertion and reason type of questions are not be there. And as well as you have to observe statement one and statement two questions will be there maximum. The questions all having the same option as because statement one, statement two correct that pattern only they ask. Organic also not going to so very difficult like that. Organic part also easy only. Now I think 12th and 11th organic there is some basic like that they ask the questions and 100% there is no out of question. Okay, so now we want to discuss about the expected questions. What are those and what are the questions they ask? We want to discuss about that one. I will take some code. So, but as usual, term 51 to 100 questions I want to discuss now. So, the first we want to go through the 51 as a first question. In this, the question they ask as spin only magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment is same for which of the following ions? Spin only magnetic moment is same for which of the following ions? According to the point of view, in JE exam and as well as a NEET exam from 3 to 4 years onwards, the common question compulsory in every session and set compulsory there regarding mu. And so magnetic nature and as well as another one is colored or colorless and another one is colored or colorless. So this topic related compulsory one question. So it is the expected question. So many times I inform to my students also. So as this is the compulsory question from it. Okay. So now this is the compulsory question. Now here what question they asked? A they gave as titanium 3 plus and B they gave as chromium plus 2 and C they gave as manganese plus 2 and D they gave as Fe2 plus and as well as E they gave as scandium 3 plus. Here there are total 5 ions they gave. On that they asked the simple question as so what is the question they ask? Spin only magnetic moment for the following. The spin only magnetic moment is same for the following. Spin only magnetic moment the same, the meaning is. So remember mu same, the meaning is number of unpaired electrons same. Number of unpaired electrons same. So mu same means the meaning is the number of unpaired electrons same. Now here you want to check about the number of unpaired electron. What is it? First we want to go through this scandium. What is this one? Scandium. Scandium having the atomic number 21. So that means 3 electrons removed. That means it will become 3d0. Now chromium you have to check. Atomic number 24. Actually 3d5 4s1. After removing 2 electrons, it will get d4 configuration. That means unpaired electron 4. Actually, iron having 3d6 4s2. In this, you remove the 2 electrons and finally it will become 3d6. In this 3d6 also, number of unpaired electrons are 4. Unpaired electron calculation, d1 to d5 is there. So, number of unpaired electrons is equal to number of unpaired electrons is equal to, so the number which is present, 1 to 5. That means this number. If, for example, d6 to d10, you want to calculate number of unpaired electron, 10 minus n. Okay, number of unpaired electron, 10 minus n. Now, chromium and iron, I have to check the one, remaining also no one to check. Then in this, so they gave the options as the first one is B and D only. And the second one is A and E only. And the third one is B and C only. And the fourth one is A and D only. So then finally, so here we want to go for B and D only. First bit. So this is not the moderate question or difficult question. This is the easy question. Okay. Now, shall I move on to the 52? What it will reflect? So the 52 question, then finally the question belongs to D and F block elements. Now 52 we have to proceed. The most stable carbocation. The most stable carbocation. Carbocation stability means compulsory, tertiary, secondary, primary. In the same way, free radical stability also same only. Tertiary, secondary, primary. Clear the one? In this, so now we have to explain what are the examples they given. CH3, CH plus, CH3, CH3. This is the first example. And the second one is CH3, CH plus, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. This is the one. And the third one is, so here it is CH2 plus. And here, fourth one is, this is the one. In this all, simply you want to check the tertiary carbocation where it is present. Then it is your answer. Then fourth one is correct. And the next we will go for the 53rd question. 53rd question, the statement 1. Statement 1 given. What is the one? The boiling point of hydrides. The boiling point of hydrides. H2O is greater than H2TE is greater than H2SE is greater than H2S. And in the statement 2 is on the basis of molecular mass, on the basis of molecular mass, comma, H2O expected to have lower boiling point than other members, but due to hydrogen bond, boiling point high. So here when we have to observe, the first statement is correct and H2 always form hydrogen bond, and second statement also correct. That means S1 comma S2 are correct. This is the 16th group elements question. Okay, and the next we will go for the 54. So 54 question, it is the chemical bonding question. What they gave? So they gave the list 1 and as well as here it is list 2. Okay. In this list 1, first ammonia they gave, and the second one is so BrF5 they gave, and the third one is XeF4 they gave, and as well as so D is SF6. In this, they gave the some shapes 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first one is trigonal pyramidal. So ammonia. Once we have to see ammonia, 3 bond pairs will be there, 1 lone pair will be there. BrF5. So they gave a square planar. They gave the sets. After that, we'll match the one. And next one, octahedral. And the next one is square pyramidal. And the next one is square pyramidal. Now here you want to proceed. The first one A is NH3 ammonia. Ammonia means nitrogen, H, 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 one lone pair of electron. 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. According to VSEPR theory, this is having the trigonal pyramidal shape. That means A is 1. Next, BrF5. BrF5 is the interhalogen compound. Interhalogen compound, the meaning is so mixing of two halogens. Br, two different halogens. F, 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 and here one lone pair. So that means a 5 BP and as well as 1 LP. That means this is the fourth option, square pyramidal. Next, XeF4 whenever you see. So XeF4 means C, XeF4. In this, Xe, F, 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 F. Here one lone pair and here one lone pair. That means 4 BP and 2 LP. Then on that case, XeF4 is square planar. And final SF6 is octahedral. Then final in this option is A1, B4, C2, D3. This is the 54th question. Now we will go for the 55, question number 55. 55 question, they ask the one, the highest number of helium atoms is in. The highest number of helium atoms is in. Option A, 4 moles of helium. Option B, 4U of helium. Option C, 4 grams of helium. Option D, 2.270198 liter of helium at STP. So actually here, can you please observe that one? 4 moles of helium. That meaning what? 4 moles of helium means 4 into Na. Na means already you know Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. Next 4U 4 by 2. 4 grams 4 by 4 into Na. Because moles you calculate. Here you want to go through 2.27 by 22.4 into Na. Then finally, which is having the highest number of helium atoms? Then option A is correct. Option A is correct. These are the first 5 questions. Okay. And the next we will go for the 56 question. 56 question, what they all gave the one. So up to 5 questions, there is no difficult question. Okay. CH2, CH, double bond CH2. They gave the conversion CH2, CH2, CH2. What are the reagents given? The first reagent is H2O slash H plus, comma, CrO3. The second reagent is BH3, comma, H2O2, comma, OH minus, comma, PCC. And the third one is BH3, comma, H2O2, comma, OH minus, and next alkaline KMnO4 solution, alkaline KMnO4 and H3O plus. Next they go for the D option, H2O2, comma, H plus, comma, PCC. Now in this 4, can you please check that one? The first and the most important one is here, what are the reagents? Commonly, what reagents they give you want to go. So first you have to see this reagent BH3, comma, H2O2, comma, OH minus. The meaning is it is the direct one. This is called as hydroboration oxidation. Prepare from alkenes to terminal alcohols, and it will follow anti-Markovnikov rule. It will follow anti-Markovnikov rule now. Understand now? Anti-Markovnikov rule. Now here what I will do, first we want to use the one. So this is the one, CH2, CH, double bond CH2 in the presence of BH3, comma H2O2 slash OH minus. First there is terminal alcohols, ring CH2, CH2, CH2OH. Clear? After this, it is on reaction with PCC. What is the importance of PCC? PCC, use it to convert aldehyde into ketone. It will be the mild oxidizing agent due to the ring CH2, CH2, CHO. This is correct. Okay. Then final our option is B option is correct. Okay. So this is the question they ask from the alcohol. Next, we want to go for the 57 question. 57 question, what is there? Here also they ask some matching, second type of matching question. Good. So matching. In this, so list 1 and as well as so list 2. It is also easy question from thermodynamics. What they ask, the first I want to write what they give. A, isothermal process. B, isochoric process. C, isobaric process. D, adiabatic process. These are the introduction of types of process. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, first one is no heat exchange they give. No heat exchange. Second one is carried out at constant temperature. Carried out at constant volume. Carried out at constant pressure. Now, isothermal at constant temperature, isochoric constant volume, isobaric constant pressure, adiabatic no heat. This is the direct question, and in this, the option correct is 57. The answer is A2. Sorry. 57. The answer is A2, B3. Next, D1, C4. 58, I have to proceed more. 58, what they ask, expected question only, this is also. What they ask, which one of the following, alcohols, which one of the following alcohols react instantaneously, react instantaneously meaning immediately, instantaneously with Lucas reagent. What is Lucas reagent? Concentrated HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride. Lucas reagent is the distinction test or the identification test for primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Can you please wait, ma? Sorry for interruption. What are the options they gave? The first one they gave as first one CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. And the second one they gave as CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, OH. And the third one they gave as CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. And the fourth one they gave as CH3, CH3, CH3. So in this, you want to check about which alcohol more preferable, tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Then option B is correct. Yes. Shall I move on to the next question? So this is the 59 from the equilibrium, chemical equilibrium. And what the question they ask in which of the following equilibria, in which of the following equilibria, comma, Kp, comma, Kc not equal. This is also expected question from the chemical equilibrium. Kp, comma, Kc not equal. First one I run to write. PCl5 gives PCl3 plus Cl2. Option 2. H2 plus I2 gives 2Hi. Option 3. CO plus H2O gives CO2 plus H2. Option 4. 2BrCl gives Br2 plus Cl2. In this question, Kp, Kc want to go for Kp, Kc not equal. First, you want to know the relation. Kp is equal to Kc into Rp whole power delta n. Here, delta n 0 means Kp is equal to Kc. Then delta n 0 means Kp is equal to Kc. What they ask, Kp not equal to Kc. Then what we check, delta n not equal to 0. This delta n also, delta n for gaseous only you want to check. Here you want to check here number of moles 2. Then in this case, delta n not equal to 0. Remaining all cases, delta n 0. All are given gaseous only. Then our answer is 59. Easy question. Okay. Next, I will move on to the 60th question. So, quantum number they give. Quantum number clear. And the next information provided. That means each quantum number, what they give information. Starting. Importance of quantum numbers I gave. ML, B, MS, C, L. Next, D, N. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. What they gave information, can you please see? Shape of orbital. Next, size of orbital. And the next, orientation of orbital. Orientation of orbital. Next, orientation of spin of electron. Orientation of spin of electron. Now, can you please look into this one? It's a easy one. So first, ML. ML is the one azimuthal quantum number. Sorry, magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number gives the orientation of the orbital. MS, spin quantum number, gives the information orientation of spin of the electron. L, shape of the orbital. N, size of the orbit. They want to give, but orbital they give. So there may be same equal, maybe at score may give, but option 2 is correct here. That means A is 2. Sorry, option 2. A is 3, comma, B is 4, comma, C is 1, comma, D is 2. Next, I will move on to the 61 question. Again, a statement 1 question they gave. Statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1 and 2. Does not, aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Yes, aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because there is acid will be there, Lewis acid. It will form salt with the NH2 present in aniline. Correct statement only. And next, aniline cannot be prepared by, it cannot be prepared by Gabriel synthesis. That means it cannot be prepared by Gabriel synthesis. That means, so aniline cannot, because it is aromatic amine, not be prepared. Due to that, S1 comma S2 both are correct. Shall I move on to the 62? S1 comma S2 both are correct. And the next important and easy question, intramolecular intramolecular H bond present in intramolecular H bond present in. So then ring NO2 OH, second one NO2 OH, third one NO2 OH, and the fourth one HF. Intramolecular, that means in the same molecule it will be formed. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding maximum possible in ortho substituted one. Then final our answer is this is the one. Shall I move on to 63? 63, a simple theoretical question on heating. It is a very easy question. Maximum it is a standard question, but in here we will go for the purification techniques will be there on the question. This one. On heating, some solid substance change from solid to vapor state. Okay, solid to vapor state without passing liquid state. So they ask the one, this belongs to which technique? Simple one, anyone can give the answer. This is the first purification technique, that is called as sublimation. Then option 2 is correct. 64, I will proceed. In which of the following process? In which of the following process? In which of the following process, comma, entropy increases? In which of the following process, comma, entropy increases? In which of the following process entropy increases? Then in this liquid evaporates to vapor, temperature of crystalline solid lower 130 Kelvin to 0 Kelvin, and 2 NaHCO3 solid gives Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. D. Cl2 gaseous gives 2Cl gaseous. Choose the correct answer from the following. In these four options, liquid evaporates to vapor. Evaporate to vapor means gas means more randomness is there, entropy increases. Temperature of crystalline solid lower. Temperature decreases means entropy decreases. Here solid convert into gaseous molecules. Due to that here entropy increases. Here also Cl2 converted into more gaseous molecules, gaseous atoms. Due to that, then finally A, B, and D. Next, we'll go for the next 65. 65 question, what is the among 65 question among group 16 elements, which one does not show -2 oxidation state? Option 1 oxygen, option B selenium, option C tellurium, option D polonium. So most important question in all, maximum so many times we inform inert pair effect. Polonium cannot show that one. Then this is the fourth option is correct. Next, 66. List one. and here it is list 2. The first 1 mole of H2O. This is direct book back question from the electrochemistry. Okay. Second one 1 mole of MnO4 minus 2 Mn plus 2. And the third one 1.5 mole of Ca from CaCl2. D option 1 mole of FeO to Fe2O3. In this first one, 3F. In this second one, 2F. In this third one, 1F. In this fourth one, 5F. First, one by one, I'll explain, Amma. So in this first, you have to see 1 mole of H2O2 to O2. H2O gives O2. Okay, O2 minus gives of O2. Of O2 plus 2 electrons. That means for this case 2F. Next. The same way, 1 mole of MnO4 minus 2 Mn plus 2. Here it is 7 oxidation state. Here it is 2. Due to that 5 Faradays. Next. Next one. From the given 1 mole of calcium means 2F. 1.5 mole of calcium means 3F. And the next FeO. FeO means Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3. That means 1F. Then final, first option correct. That means A is, in this, A is 2, B is 5, C is 1, and D is, sorry, B is 5, C is 1, and D is 3. Okay? Next, 67. Arrange the following in increasing order of electronegativity. Here we are not taking about any rules like that. As already you know, electronegativity concept compulsory question. Can you please see? So in this options first I will give. With that easy to find which one is correct. Silicon, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Next second one. Silicon, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine. Third one, oxygen, fluorine, nitrogen, carbon, silicon. Next, D option, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, silicon. A simple logic. Fluorine, oxygen, topmost priority electronegative element. First fluorine, next oxygen will come. Like this order, what is there, you check. That's enough, our answer is correct. Then this is A option is correct. Next, we'll go for the 68th question. 68th question, with with a molecular formula, a compound with molecular formula C6H14 has two tertiary carbons. Find IUPAC name. So two tertiary carbons. When you write the structure, given option, it will be easy for you. First one, N-hexane, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Here no tertiary, due to that it is not your answer. Second option, 2-methyl pentane. 2-methyl pentane means CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This also okay. This also one tertiary only there. It is not our answer. Third one, 2,3 dimethyl butane. 2,3 dimethyl butane. So then we observe the structure of CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Then third option correct. Next, fourth option, 2,2 dimethyl butane. In this, it is not the correct one. Next, shall I move on the next one? 69. Failing, failing solution A is. This is also directly from the textbook. Aldehydes and ketone distinguishing test will be there. Failing solution A is aqueous copper sulfate solution. Aqueous copper sulfate solution. 1 minute. I will put the charger. Sorry for interruption. Aqueous copper sulfate solution. Okay. And the next we will move on to the 70th question. Activation energy of any chemical reaction. Activation energy of any chemical reaction can be calculated if can be calculated if one knows the value of first one K at standard temperature. Next, B, probability of collision, and C is orientation of orientation of reactant molecules during collision. Orientation of reactant molecule during collision. And D, rate constant at two different temperatures. Now, this last option only correct now. Rate constant at two different temperatures means we will have equation, Arrhenius equation there. Log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 into 1 by T1 minus 1 by then final 71. This is also related to Arrhenius one. Which plot ln K versus 1 by T is consistent with which plot ln K versus 1 by T is consistent with Arrhenius equation. Can you tell me total Arrhenius equation? K is equal to A into e power minus EA by RT1. Next, ln K is equal to ln A minus EA by RT, another one. Next, log K is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT, another one. In this, so our equation, fourth option is ln K versus 1 by 2. Fourth. Next. 72 we proceed. This is organic question. 72. This is also matching one like that they give. List 1 and here it is list 2. Shall we proceed? Can you please see? So in this A, what they give? A they gave us B, C, OH, D, sorry, B, CH2, CH3. They gave this conversion to COOK. They gave this conversion to ketone, secondary alcohol to ketone. They gave this conversion to, this is exactly from the aldehydes and ketones good back, write the products of the formula, write the missing reagent like that. It will be from that only the question. See how they from the question. So without difficult one, benzene ring, COCl, anhydrous AlCl3. Second, CrO3. Third, KMnO4 slash KOH, comma heating. Fourth, O3, comma Zn, comma H2. So directly this one. Okay, this is the. Shall I move on to the 73? 73 question. The compound that will undergo SN1 easily. SN1 with fastest rate. Option A. So Br. Option B. Br. Option C. Br. Option B. CH3 Br. Benzyl carbocation. Benzyl carbocation more stable due to resonance. Next, we'll go for the 74, which is not redox from the redox reactions, which is not redox. How to proceed? The first one they give Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. So here 0 plus 2, here plus 2, here 0. This is redox. Next one 2KClO3 plus I2 gives 2KiO3 plus Cl2. It is also redox. And the next one is H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. It is also redox. Next, last one, it is not redox. It is double decomposition reaction. Na2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. Our oxidation states all are same. So due to that, it is not redox. 75 question. Statement 1. Again, statement based question. Can you please? Statement 1. Boiling point of 3 isomeric pentanes follows the order n pentane greater than isopentane greater than neopentane. That means here boiling point is directly proportional to surface area and boiling point inversely proportional to number of branches. First statement correct. Next, second statement, the reason they give. Second statement they give. So then second statement also correct. 76. Given below two complexes, it is coordination chemistry easy question. CO NH3 6 times 3 plus. Here COF6 3 minus. So both are octahedral. So actually here a simple question easy to identify. Both are having coordination number 6. Coordination number 6 whether D2sp3 or sp3d2 the shape is same but differ in magnetic behavior. Differ in magnetic behavior why they mention unpaired electron present. Differ in magnetic behavior. For example, unpaired electron present. What we call this one? Paramagnetic. Unpaired electron not present. What we call this one? Diamagnetic. Unpaired electron not present, we call it as diamagnetic. So then in this CONH3 system, this is strong field. Strong field means CONH3 here oxidation state what? D6. D6 means arrangement of the d electrons like so 2, 2, 2. That means this is D2sp3. That is diamagnetic. And as well as COF6 means so sp3d2 unpaired electron present. How unpaired electron present? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unpaired electron present. This is paramagnetic. So that means both S1 comma S2 or 2. Next, we'll go for the 77 question. 77 question. 77 question. Very, very easy question, ma'am. So they gave the one ethane. Next, ethene. Next, C2 molecule. Next, ethyne. Options what they give? 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one is 1 sigma, 2 pi bonds. 1 sigma, 2 pi bonds, ethyne. Next, 2 pi bonds, 2 pi bonds. Next, fourth one, 1 sigma bond. Next, 1 sigma, comma 1 pi. So 1 sigma bond, 1 sigma, comma 1 pi, and 2 pi bonds. This is the one. Okay. Next, 78. Solution chapter. 78. Henry's law constant of A comma B comma C given. 145. 2 into 10 power minus 5. 35 kilobar. Then find solubility. Find solubility. KH value is inversely proportional to solubility. Whenever Henry's law, there is most important statement. Therefore, the answer is which is having least KH you want to check. B greater than, C greater than A. Next, 79. This is related to Bohr's theory. We want to check. First one, what they give, energy of electron in ground state, n is equal to 1, comma, He plus ion is minus x joules. Then for electron, n is equal to 2, for Be plus 3 ion in joules is. Okay, now here you want to see how to proceed. We have En is equal to minus 13.6 into Z square by N square. First for this helium, I want to proceed. Minus 13.6 into Z square. Z square means how much? 2 square by N square means 1 square. That means minus 13.6 into 4 is called minus x. Okay, now. Next one, what they ask? So next one for beryllium, they ask. Beryllium, they ask means. So in this beryllium case, En is equal to minus 13.6 into. So minus 13 point z square by n square. Beryllium atomic number 4. 4 square by n square means 2 square. Minus 13.6 into, so 4, 4 cancel. Minus 13.6 into 4. This is called as minus x. Then final option 1, that is minus x is correct. Next. 80th question, a direct question from the book, very, very important in board, and as well as here also they give a simple one. E naught value of a book question, my interest question only. Mn plus 3 to Mn plus 2 couple is more positive. It is more positive. What is the reason? Simple. Mn plus 3 to Mn plus 2. Manganese atomic number 25. That means D5S2. Mn plus 3 means D4 to D5. Stable configuration. Then D4 to D5. Then option 3 is correct. Next. Shall I move on to the 81? 81 question. 81. The reagent which does not react with the reagent which does not react with corresponding test. What are they give? Tolerance test. Tolerance compulsory will given by glucose. Skips test. Skips test not given by Skips reagent, not given by glucose. HCN given by glucose. NH2OH given by glucose. And next NaHSO3 not given by glucose. That means these two are not given by glucose. Next. 82. Isomerism in coordination compounds. 82. How to proceed? The first one. CONH3 5 times NO2 Cl2. In this, so NO2 is ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand present. The ionization is linkage isomerism. Sorry, isomerism is linkage isomerism. CONH3 5 times SO4 Br. So then ions will divide. After that, this is called ionization isomerism. Next, two coordination pairs present. Two coordination pairs CONH3 6 times. Next, CrCN 6 times present. Then it will show coordination isomerism. Next, COH2O 6 times Cl3. Then in this case, it will show solvated or hydrated isomerism. Next, 83. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. What is the answer? Nitrogen having, they ask the one as ionization energy. First ionization energy order. Nitrogen half filled, carbon. Next, beryllium completely filled. Next, boron, and last lithium. Half filled and completely filled having more energy, required more energy to remove the electron. Next. Next one is 84. 84 question. 1 gram of NaOH is treated with 25 ml of 0.75 molarity HCl, comma, mass of NaOH left unreacted is. Okay, so this question, first NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. First, 1 mole of NaOH. How many moles of HCl? 1 mole of HCl. Okay, 40 gram of NaOH. How many grams of HCl? 36.5 gram of HCl. First, I want to calculate how much this amount. Molarity formula. Molarity is equal to weight by GMW into 1000 by V in ml. Yes, Sama. Now, molarity 0.75 is equal to weight by GMW is 36.5 into 1000 by 25. 25 ones, 25, 40. Then final, this value once we calculate, 0.75 into 36.5 divided by 40. That means here how much K means 0.684 gram of HCl. Now can you please check once more? So here first we want to find the limiting reagent. 1 gram of NaOH. How much here needed? 1 by 40 into 36.5. That is 0.9125 gram of HCl needed. But how much came? 0.684 gram of HCl given. That means limiting reagent is equal to HCl. Now how much NaOH left you want to find? HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. Okay, now here you see. So how to find 36.5 gram of HCl, 40 gram NaOH needed. Okay. For 0.684 gram of HCl, how much needed? 0.684 by 36.5 into 40. 0.684 into 40 divided by 36.5. That means 0.750 grams. How much they given ma 1 gram? 1 gram in 1000 only na? That means for 1000 grams, sorry, very sorry, 1 gram given. But how much needed? 0.75 only needed. Therefore, excess or left NaOH is equal to 1 minus 0.750, that is 0.250 grams, that is equal to 250 milligrams. Then final answer 2 correct. Option 2 correct. Okay, ma'am. Next. We'll go for the next one. 85 question. 85 question, what they gave, 2a gives b plus c, comma kc is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 3. At a given time, composition of a comma b comma c is 2 into 10 power minus 3. So now what you find in this case, ma? In this case, first QC you find. QC is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 3 into 2 into 10 power minus 3 by a whole square. 2 into 10 power minus 3 whole square. Then final 1 came. Then final it will goes on backward reaction. AC greater than QC, QC greater than AC. Backward. Next, 86 row. 86 related to group table. Group 1, group 2, like the practical chemistry there. But nothing that practical chemistry they didn't ask. This is also very simple question. When you go through the practical part very correctly, means it will be easy. Cu plus 2. This is A and this is B. Next C is Ba2 plus and D is CO2 plus and E is Mg2 plus. These ions belongs to which group, like that they ask nothing. Okay, these ions belongs to first, this belongs to sixth group. Cobalt, nickel, cobalt. Barium. Barium belongs to fifth group. Copper belongs to second group. This belongs to third group. And it is the fourth group. Now what they ask, write the increasing order. Increasing 0 to 6. That means, so A, B, C, D like that I take means B, A, B, C, E. I will move on to the next question as 87. 87. The products A comma B obtained in the following reaction. Very simple reaction. In the following reaction. First one, 3 moles of ROH on reaction with PCl3 gives 3 RCl plus A. RCl plus C, ROH plus PCl5 gives RCl plus HCl plus B. This A is called H3PO3 and this is called POCl3. Then option H3PO3 and POCl3. Next, I will go for the next one as 88. So mass in grams, direct formula is W is equal to ZIT by 96,500. Z value 63 by 2 into, because valency of copper is 2, into I value 9.6487 into time 100 by, in this case you take 96,487, 0.315 grams. Faraday's laws related question. Next, 89. 89 is the plot of osmotic pressure versus concentration. A solution gives straight line with a slope 0.20 with a slope 25.73 liter bar mole inverse. The temperature at which osmotic pressure is. You want to calculate the temperature. R value they gave. Okay, directly pi is equal to CRT formula. Based on this, you calculate the temperature. Okay, so in this, the option came as first option, 37 degrees centigrade. Next, we will go for the 90th question. 90th question, what they gave: CH3, CH2, CH2I. It is on reaction with NaCN, gives A. It is on reaction with OH minus on partial hydrolysis, gives B. It is on reaction with NaOH plus Br2, gives C. First, this is substitution: CH3, CH2, CH2, CN. This is partial hydrolysis: CH3, CH2, CH2, CONH2. This is the one: CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Propyl amine. The answer is propyl amine. Next. We'll go for the next one is 91. Identify the correct statement. So, in this correct statement is CO3 2 minus have three canonical forms. Three canonical forms. Next, we'll go for the 92. 92 is homoleptic and heteroleptic complexes they gave. So, in this also, CONH3 6 times 3 plus 1, and as well as CONH3 4 times Cl2 plus. This is homoleptic. This is heteroleptic complexes. That is that S1 comma S2 are correct. Next, we will go for the next one is 93. 93 question. CH double bond CH ring. It is on reaction with KMnO4 in the presence of H plus. Both will oxidize strong reagent. Due to that, both will oxidize to carboxylic acid. Next, 94. Lanthanide ions which are diamagnetic. Diamagnetic means no unpaired electrons. No unpaired electron, only option cerium is there. Cerium 4 plus. Due to the cerium 4 plus attachment, what is there? Ytterbium 2 plus. In this, no unpaired electrons. Next, 95. It belongs to equilibrium concept. Equilibrium, and you will use ICE table like that. And finally, you got fourth option 0.717. Next, 96. 96 empirical formula calculation. What are the elements they give? X, Y, X contain, X is the compound that contain A, B, C. A value, how much they gave? 32 percentage. B value 20 percentage, and C value is remaining means 48 percentage. Atomic weight they gave 64, 40, and 32. This is 0.5. This is 0.5. This is 1.5. Least number you want to do it: 0.5, 0.51, 0.5 by 0.51. So 1.5 by 0.53. Therefore, ABC3. Next. We'll go for the next one as 97. The work done, W reversible is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log P1 by P2. Minus 2.303 nRT means N value, moles 1 mole they gave. R value 2 they gave. Temperature 25 they gave. 298 into log 20 by 10. If you calculate, you will get the answer minus 413.14 calories. Next, we will go for the next one is 98 question. During the preparation of more salt, this is the practical chemistry question. Already everyone do this one in the practicals. More salt versus KMnO4. During the preparation of more salt solution, to prevent hydrolysis, what is added? Dilute H2SO4. 99. So this is belongs to log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Therefore, here you got 38.04 as EA. Next, 100th question. 100th question is, so first engineering OH, here CH3, here BBr3. So PBr3, PCl3, this direct it is OH removed and Br is substituted. After that, we want to use alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH importance elimination. This is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. Then elimination will be possible, and final the product is this. So then final, this is A, this is B. So these are the total solutions for the 100 questions. If you have any doubt regarding this, otherwise you want to clarify any doubts. So my name is Nagaraju. So MSc Chemistry. So and handling this JE and NEET from the 16 years onwards, having 16 years experience. And my contact number is 9866 and 733 932 0880. Thank you for seeing this video. I hope some more videos I want to put in this YouTube. So this is my first video. So please subscribe this one. Thank you to everyone. Thank you so much.